What's wrong with our streams, mama? People trashing like they ain't got no mamas. Fish losing their homes while news is only drama. Now the water's all gone, just a dry river trauma. Yeah, many be trying and striving, but we still got big problems here living. In the USA, the AIS, oh yes, we need to act right away. Invasive fish moving in, call it their home. Big dams blocking all the ways they roam. When species disappear, they don't come back. We gotta bring the balance, keep the rivers on track. It just ain't the same. Habitats rearranged. Fish getting pushed out. Their ranges getting changed. Most of them native, rare and small. But if we do not act, they could lose it all.
It just ain't the same. Old streams have changed. New days are strange. Is the world insane? If love and peace are so strong, why are there pieces of stream that don't belong? Many of us dropping car, floating chemicals filling gills of little ones, with ongoing suffering as the fish die young. So ask yourself, is the loving really gone? So I could ask myself really what is going wrong. In this Arizona that we're living in, people keep on giving in, making wrong decisions, early visions of them dividends, not respecting our fishes. Deny our brother. A crisis is going on and we acting like it's undercover. The truth is no secret. Let's give fish a little flow. If you never know truth, then you never know flow.
Where is the love, love?
Streams drying out while the summers get hotter. Apache trout need cold, clean water. Rip out the weeds and restore that shade, bringing back the roots from the trees she named. Desert pupfish holding on in pool. Trying to survive in this heat, no tools. Habitat loss is breaking the chain, so we gotta heal streams and recharge range. Too many think fish ain't worth their time, but every lost species is a broken line of life that's older than we'll ever be. This land's their home, not just for you and me. That's the reason why sometimes I'm feeling under. That's the reason why sometimes I'm feeling down. There's no wonder why sometimes I'm feeling under. Gotta keep fish faith alive till love is found. Now ask yourself, is the life you're living something to be proud of? Is the life you're living giving any fish love? If not, then it's time to go above.
Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the love?
Sing with me, y'all. 35 fishes. 35 fishes. Arizona only got 35 fishes. 35 fishes. That's all we got. 35 fishes. 35 fishes. And something's wrong with them. Something's wrong with them. Something's wrong with them fishy fishes.